equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome back to our series on the Asus G712L. In this part, we'll dive into the fan replacement process. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the fans. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws. Keep these screws organized. A magnetic tray can be quite handy for this. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust buildup using compressed air. This not only helps with cooling, but also ensures that your new fans will operate efficiently. Now, locate the fans. You'll notice they are connected to the motherboard with a couple of screws and a power connector. Carefully unscrew the fans using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find it challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the power connector. It's crucial to handle this part with care to avoid damaging the motherboard. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. With the old fans removed, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new fans in the same position as the old ones. Secure them with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the power connector is firmly attached to the motherboard. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the fans. Power on your laptop and check if the fans are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once you've confirmed that the fans are working, power down the laptop again and replace the back panel. Screw it back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. This step is crucial to maintain the structural integrity of your laptop. Finally, give your laptop a thorough clean on the outside. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring it looks as good as new. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the fans in your Asus G712L. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with all your tech needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.